Okay, in this video, we are going to understand about the page settings. What are the changes that you can do in your pages, in your URL, in your URL. So, okay, first of all, you have to go to the projects and open any of your landing pages. So just like that, I've created this page, and what I'm going to do, here are a couple of things that you can see over here, which is edit button, where you can go inside the editor and do the changes. Here is a page of cloning, so this exact replica will create it. This is the published URL that you can take it out. Here, you can find all the reports. So for example, if you have added the form on your landing pages, I'm talking about specifically email opt-in form. If you have added your email opt-in form. So if somebody fills that form, automatically you will find all the details over here itself in the page reports. Okay. Now, if I talk about the logs where you can just check it, everything, is parsed properly or not. If it's not parsed, then you can just see, which data is not parsed so that you can, again, push that logs to the main reports. Okay. Here, you can just set as a project image. So for example, this is the page that I'm liking. This is the thumbnail that I'm liking it. So if you can see, this image is visible, and if I set this as a project image, now we can see how it will look when I open the dash, when I open the projects in a new dashboard, and let's see how it is looking over here itself. So you can see this is the project image that it is looking like this. Okay. So this is the meaning of this project image. Now, you can also delete this page as well. Now, let's click on this and see about the page settings. This is the most important thing. Click on the page settings, where you can see a couple of things over here, where you can just change the name of this specific page seconded, which is the path of this page. Now, you can see this is the path. For example, if you want to keep your path like this, let's take email opt-in. You can just use this path as well. Whatever the path that you want to keep it, you just need to add it over here. Okay. So this is a simple way that you can change the slug of this page. You can see if I talk about this page, this entire URL, so this we will call it as a slug. Okay, this we will call it as a slug. After the slash, if you're seeing that we call it as a slug. Over here, after the slash, this is the slug path, so you can keep it whatever that you like. Okay. Now, most important thing, very most important things. For example, if you are creating any sales page, make sure to select the sales page, select category, a page type, because once you're going to select this thing, only then the things will fetch in your reports. So make sure whenever that you are creating any sales page. So you have to select the sales page category. Second, if you are going to create any email opt-in, that you have to select this leads category. And if you're going to select, if you're going to create the checkout page, or in which the order form is there, you have to select this checkout page. And if you're just creating a thank you page or any random page, then you can select this default time. These three things are very important. Once you have selected this exactly or accurately, only then it will track your entire statistics properly. So make sure, don't forget this thing, don't select randomly. Make sure that you're selecting according to the category. If it's a sales page, then you have to select the sales page. If it's the email opt-in page, then you have to select the leads one. If it's a checkout page, then you have to select the checkout category. And if it's the random page, you can select it as a default. So this is an email opt-in page, I'm going to select the leads one, and then click on update button. So once you're doing this, it will take a few minutes to update the changes on this new domain. So this is how you can do the changes. This is how you can understand how you can do the page setting, how you can change the page settings, and you can change the slug as well. So everything about the page setting, that is over here. If you still have any queries, you can connect to the live chat team support. Thank you so much.